Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see what are VAPI tools, how it's used in VAPI. So in last video, we have seen a real life project that used VAPI. So in this project, we are going to see how to use different type of tools in your project. So first, we are going to tools option, right? Okay, there is create tool. Okay, there are many inbuilt tools, you can use anyone. There is a API request. So first we are going to see what is API request, right? Okay, so before going to further, I am going to tell you what are each options that are given in API request. So I already made a tool that is prep interview, that is the previous project tool as I shown in last video. So let's go on this. So here is tool name that I written prep interview. Here's description. If you want, you can give description, otherwise there is no need to give description. There is request URL, that is, as you can see, there is a request URL. Here on this URL API will hit. So what I want to say, like if a user and AI voice agents are talking to each other, and AI voice agent asks some questions to user answers all the questions, and it will take the all answers and convert into the text and send to the backend. So in further videos I will tell what is backend, how to manage it, and how you will uh, call API request on backend, right? So basically it is simple a URL on which you will request your API. This is request method, since as I am saying that it will send to the backend. So there are many type of request, right? Methods, sorry, get method, post method, put method, patch method, delete method. Okay, the post method is basically that you are something posting on that URL, and get method something that you are fetching from that URL. So in further videos I will tell what is get, what is fetch, okay, what is post method, what is put method, right? This is authorization, right? There is no need. Okay, in project if there is a need I will tell you. There is a header. Okay, it is also important, type, content type, what is application just type, I will also tell you. Okay, yeah, this is the main crux of your API request. What is request body? So basically, what am I want to say that if you are using API request tool, so in this API request tool, you need to add some body. So in front end, you you define some body. Okay, that I want a, particular role, particular type, particular level, particular amount of question and tech stack. So in this, in your front end, these particular properties are already defined, right, in your project. And after API hit to this URL, assistant will talk to you and take this information one by one as property defined in this request body, right? So like if it is role, then AI assistant will ask, tell me about your role. Then I will tell AI assistant my role. Then it will ask my type of role, level of level of experience, amount of questions, okay, tech stack. So as you can see that if I am going to this is name, this is type. Type means what type, meaning a role. So role is alphabetical, numerical, like string type. So here different types like string, number, boolean, object, array. So if I am telling role to AI assistant, so which type, that is string. Okay, role like full-time internship, as I told you in my previous video, right? So default value, if you want you can, otherwise no. Description you can write, so role user is applying for. And here it is important, required, because in front end I already put role for requirement, right? It is required that AI assistant will ask to you for that role. Here user ID, so as you can see that I did not put it is required. Why I did not put? Because when user logged in into your account, it already fetch dynamically your session cookie from your backend. That's why I did not put it is required. But if I put it is required, then it will ask user ID from me. Okay, that's why I did not put it here. Okay, this is static body fields. Okay, it is not required. Okay, so next is response body. I am telling you what is required for your API request tool. If further different kind of options is required, I will also tell you. So first, you see there is response body. Okay, so response body is basically in this you can use dynamic variables like user ID. So as I told you, I am not put it here statically. I am putting it here variable because it will fetch from session cookie, right? Dynamically. That's why I put it here, and it here I am putting it as required. Okay, let's go and save it and just try to see whether it is working or not. Go to assistant. Here it is relay. This is my AI interview coach AI assistant. Let's publish and talk. Let's do publish. Okay, publish. Okay. Let's talk.
Hello. Let's prepare your interview session. I will ask you a few questions to customize your interview. What role are you applying for?
Yeah, I'm applying for full time.
Great. You're applying for a full-time position. Next, could you tell me which role you are applying for?
Yeah, I'm applying for front end developer.
Thank you. You're applying for a front-end developer role. Now, what is your experience level? Is it junior, mid, or senior?
Yeah, my experience level is junior level.
Got it. You're at the junior level. Next, which technologies do you know and are comfortable with?
Yeah, I am
Please list
comfortable with
only those.
JavaScript, React.js.
Perfect. You're comfortable with JavaScript and React.js. Last question. How many questions would you like to generate for your interview?
Yeah, you can generate two questions.
Just to clarify, could you please specify a number of questions you'd like? For
Yeah,
example, 5, 10, or any number you prefer.
yeah, you can generate five questions.
Thank you. Your interview will be generated automatically. Thank you. Your interview has been generated successfully. Goodbye.
Goodbye. So, as you can see that I uh, talked to my assistant that I made for my interview, right? So, in this, what I have defined in my tools section. So, as I told you, there is a tool option, right? Here is tool option, and here I add my tool prep interview, right? So previously I told you my tool interview prep interview. So here you will define what um, assistant will ask to you, okay, in API request, right? Because these API requests are come from front end. Okay, where is request body? Here is request body, right? Here is request body. Am I going wrong? Where is my... Okay. It's my bad, right? Okay, here is a request body. So these questions that are asking by AI assistant will follow this flow, right? Will follow this flow. Okay. So let's go to our assistant. This is my interview coach. So basically what you have seen, it asks one by one all the questions that I mentioned in my tool, and it did not ask user ID, right? It did not ask of ask for user ID. If I uh, go in request body and I put and I put uh, required this, then it will ask for my user ID, but it is not necessary, right? Because if it will ask for my user ID, then what it is meant to define that assistant, what is it meant? It should fetch from backend, okay, from session cookie, right? So here here I told you about how to talk to your assistant using tools, right? In further videos I will tell you how to use transfer call in your AI assistant and in your project. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.